like a hurricane heading in the direction of southern Japan, which is where 50,000 American servicemen are. So we have to be a little concerned about that. All right, we'll continue to watch this, and we'll be back with Keith and more here coming up in just a moment. Weather Center Live, talking about the heat in the Northeast, but with that front that just went through, we're going to see dew points going down in a huge way. So today, a high of 92 in D.C., dew point 77. It felt like 104. Now tomorrow, the temperature will be the same, if not a degree warmer, but the dew point way down to 58. So it'll feel like only 93 degrees. Well, at least it just feels like the temperature, at least. So there's that front coming through. Not much of an air mass change as far as surface temperatures, but there is as far as dew points, so temperature is still hot, but much more comfortable. That's really the main theme here, with those dew points going down. So temperature's still warm, 93 in D.C., 91 in New York, 88 in Boston, 83 in Burlington, Vermont. Saturday stays warm, upper 80s, low 90s, down the 95 corridor. Same on Sunday, 87 in New York, 89 in New York. Not going to see an actual cool down until we head into Wednesday of next week. So here's what we got going on all the way through Monday in the 90s. All right, up next, storm stories. Enjoy.
2005 was a very active hurricane season.
Oh, my God.
We had just had Katrina a few weeks earlier.
Our big enemy in all this is water.
Now we had another very powerful hurricane that formed, was in the Gulf of Mexico.
I made it through the worst part. I can make it.
Fighting fire in normal conditions is extremely tough. Fighting fire with winds blowing 60, 80, 90 miles an hour makes it very difficult.
I thought to myself, well, that's the end of that house.
And there he is, our little dolphin stuck.
Oh, my God, there's a dolphin in a ditch.
This is what happened when Rita come to town.
From the Weather Channel, this is Storm Stories with meteorologist Jim Cantori.
September 17th, 2005. The Gulf Coast of the United States is still shell-shocked from the devastating and deadly Hurricane Katrina. When the 18th tropical depression of the Atlantic hurricane season begins to form. Less than a day later, it strengthens to a tropical storm and gets the name Rita.
It was certainly a major concern that we had Katrina a few weeks earlier. Now we had another very powerful hurricane that formed, was in the Gulf of Mexico. It was forecast to move towards the coast of Texas. It actually went from a tropical storm to a Category 5 hurricane in about 36 hours.